Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Netflix Inc. Full guide step by step clearly. To invest in Netflix Inc., start by educating yourself about the company and its market position. Understand the competitive landscape, including major competitors like Disney, Amazon, and Hulu. Determine your investment goals and risk tolerance before proceeding further. Select a brokerage platform that suits your needs. Ensure it provides access to U.S. stock exchanges where Netflix is traded. Create an account with your chosen brokerage. Complete any required identification and verification processes. Fund your brokerage account with the amount you intend to invest. Once your account is funded, log in to the trading platform. Search for Netflix by its ticker symbol, Netflix. Review the current market price and historical performance charts. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Select the type of order you wish to place, such as a market or limit order. If opting for a limit order, specify the maximum price you are willing to pay per share. Confirm the order details before finalizing the transaction. Once your order is executed, you will own shares of Netflix Inc. Monitor your investment periodically to assess its performance. Stay informed about industry news and Netflix's earnings reports. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes. Review your investment strategy regularly and adjust if needed. Consult financial advisors if you seek personalized guidance or have questions. Be prepared for market volatility and understand that stock investing carries risks. Continue to educate yourself about investing and the streaming industry trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.